In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, Samsara eliminates fleet downtime with pre-delivery installation at the OEM level. Also, Truckstop.com and TruckerPath come together to expand load availability and more. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. International Motors is the newest original equipment manufacturer in Samsara's pre-delivery installation program. This will eliminate weeks of post-delivery downtime for fleets as International upfits new trucks and buses ahead of delivery with Samsara devices, including vehicle gateways, dash cams, AI multicam, and external cameras. International can now order Samsara hardware directly for its customers, streamlining procurement and installation for fleet managers. Vehicle software licenses will be activated at the time of shipment to the customer, ensuring customers only pay for the technology once the wheels are ready to turn. Freight tech platform Truckstop.com has partnered with TruckerPath to make its load feed available within TruckerPath's TruckLoads app. This increases TruckerPath's load availability to its users more than tenfold. Under this agreement, its users can also subscribe to and access Truckstop.com loads directly within the TruckLoads mobile app, expanding load visibility to more carriers and helping brokers get loads covered faster. Isaac customers can now benefit from a pre-built API integration between Isaac in-cab telematics and ELD solutions and the BeyondTrucks transportation management system. Using a unified data foundation, algorithms in BeyondTrucks' dispatch optimization solution help dispatchers build plans for optimal schedules, routes, equipment, driver and load assignments, and re-optimize in real time as conditions change. Those plans get translated into driver actions as BeyondTrucks orchestrates driver workflows and passes them to the Isaac tablets. That enables predictive step-by-step driver execution and additional data collection sent back to BeyondTrucks so drivers can spend less time navigating the technology. Freight tech automation solutions provider Transflo has infused its AI-driven invoice audit and dispute resolution platform with transportation tech solutions provider SMC3's execution and visibility data. This partnership aims to simplify carrier connectivity, improve data confidence, and scale freight pay and audit processes by creating a more intelligent, connected experience for shippers, carriers, and logistics service providers. Full truckload transportation management system Transport Pro is now a premier partner with Highway, a fraud detection tech provider that specializes in carrier identity solutions for freight brokers. As a premier partner, Transport Pro is fully integrated with all Highway products and will integrate with new features as they roll out. This ensures that brokers utilizing the integration can verify identities, manage risk, and reduce fraud without leaving their Transport Pro workflows. In addition to Premier status, Transport Pro is now a certified reseller of Highway Connect, expanding access to identity verification for entry-level and growing brokers with special pricing. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.